So, good morning, students. See question number 5. Okay. In exercise, which exercise it is?
14.2.
Exercise 14.2. Question number 5. You have to find the mode of the group data. Okay. So, for finding mode of the group data, we first note it down. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by the some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. Okay, so see runs scored. We have to here table runs. So this is class interval. You can say, na? This is what class interval, and number of batsmen here. Number of batsmen. That means this is nothing but FI, na? Choda. Frequency of the given batsman. Okay, runs scored. So 3000 to 4000. 3 बेटा यहाँ पे लिख दे क्या के से के समझ में आया तो कंफ्यूज तो नहीं हो जाओ हाँ यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं आजकल नया ट्रेंड 1000 को लिखते हैं 4000 और 4000 to 5000 5000 to and 6000 to 7000 7000 to 8000 and और है 8000 to 9000 9 to 10 also
10 to 11.
oh okay 10,000 to 11,000 and here frequencies are given 4 18 9 4, 18, 9, 7, 7,
6, 3,
1, 1. Okay? So, what is the modal class? First we write the formula here. Okay? What is the mode? You know, mode is nothing but L plus एक कोई बच्चा बोले बेटा जिसको याद हो
F1 minus F0
F1 minus F0
upon 2F1 minus F0 into H.
into so this is the most important thing that you should learn the formula for finding the mode and how should you how will you learn it? You can write it 10 to 20 times. Okay? घर पे जाइए 10 to 20 टाइम्स इसको लिखिए है ना और एक एक चीज को मत लर्न करिए कि ये F1 क्या है 2 टाइम्स F1 माइनस F ये मत लर्न करिए कि F1 क्या है F1 तो ठीक है फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द क्लास है ना सक्सीडिंग है प्रीसीडिंग है ये सारी चीजें कैसे सेट करिए F1 को सेंटर ले लीजिए 1 है ना F1 इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द मॉडल क्लास तो उसके पहले 0 1 से पहले 0 आता है तो फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द क्लास प्रीसीडिंग द मॉडल क्लास एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स F2 है ना 1 के 1 सेंटर लिया है सो 1 के बाद में आता है 2 ना सो F2 इज नथिंग बट फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द क्लास सक्सीडिंग द मॉडल क्लास क्लियर है नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज L is what lower limit of the अच्छा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू सेलेक्ट व्हाट विच वन इज द मॉडल क्लास दिस ऐसे एग्जाम में भी आप बॉक्स में इसको रख सकते हो तो समझ जाएगा एग्जामिनर दिस इज नथिंग बट मॉडल क्लास ओके व्हाई वी कैन सेलेक्ट इट व्हाई शुड वी सेलेक्ट दिस एज अ मॉडल क्लास बिकॉज इट हैज द मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी सबको समझ में आ रहा है बेटा ओके So L is what? Lower limit of the model class. This is what? 4000 plus F1 1 always remember और सिर्फ एक ही फॉर्मूला पढ़िएगा आइदर फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी और फ्रॉम साइड बुक हर एक साइड बुक में ये F1 -1 करके दिया तो कंफ्यूजन होगा।
E minus
आप सिर्फ क्या करें, only NCERT, you follow the NCERT and learn it, okay? So F1, this is the frequency of the model class. What is the frequency of the model class? 18 minus F0.
4.
F0 is 4. Frequency of the class preceding just the model class. 4, you can write here. 4 divided by 2 into 18
Minus 4.
minus 4
Minus
9 into H.
80,000.
H is 1000, that's it. Class width.
Upper limit.
Okay? Class, you know the class width? Upper limit minus. Understand? So you can write it as, calculate it, 4000 plus 18 minus 4,
40.
14 divided by 36 minus 4, 9, 13 into 1000. Okay? So 4000 plus of 14 into 1000 and divided by what? This is 23.
Yes.
Now that's your responsibility that you calculate it, okay? And you get the answer. So note it down. Any other question? Okay? So after this, we have to start median of the group data, okay? Now we are going to start median of group data. Median of group data. Okay? Median of group data. Median of group data. Median of group data. Okay. So maybe in class 9th you study about you had a median of ungrouped data. Okay. In class 9th you already had median of ungrouped data. So how will you find the median of ungrouped data? You have given some data. Okay. So you just arrange it in either in what? Ascending order or in descending order. Okay? And then find number of terms. Either it is even or if it is even, you know very well there are two terms, two middle terms, na? Okay? First one is n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. And divided by add both the term and divide it by 2. That means you have to take the average of these two terms. Okay? And this is nothing but, that particular term is nothing but median. Anna? But in odd, now if odd number of terms are there, so simply you add 1 and divide it by 2. That means suppose 21 terms are there, then 21 plus 2 divided 22 by divided by 2, 11th term. Simply after arranging in descending or ascending order, that should 11th term. That 11th term should be the median of the ungrouped data. Clear? But here for group data there are some formula. Okay? So see, median is given by L plus n by 2 minus CF. Okay? N by 2 minus CF divided by F. क्यों डा? This is the median. Okay? match the formula, n by 2 minus CF divided by F. L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F. So first we understand what are the terms. L, lower limit of what? Median class. Now here median class and CF cumulative frequency. Yes, cumulative. Let us discuss about the cumulative frequency afterwards. Okay?
So they should be multiplied by h.
Yes, multiplied by h. Okay? So lower limit of the median class and cumulative frequency किसने बोला बेटा? फ्रीक्वेंसी अभी बोला है ना किसने? क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द क्लास प्रीसीडिंग द. So cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, or directly you can write cumulative frequency preceding the median class. This is correct. Cumulative frequency of the class लिख देते हैं पूरा, class preceding the median class. मैथमेटिक्स में एक चीज याद रखना बेटा, कभी भी लिखने से नहीं भागना चाहिए. Preceding the median class. Okay? And F is the frequency of, yes, frequency of the median class. Only you have to learn the formula, median class. Frequency of the median class. And H is you know very well, class width or class size. Okay? So first you note it down, and afterwards I am going to explain you what is the cumulative frequency. Okay? Because cumulative frequency is also of the two types. First one is the more than type cumulative frequency, and second one is the less than type cumulative frequency. So we shall discuss, but first you note it down. Okay? So now see cumulative frequency. See this one, cumulative frequency. First one is the less than type, and second one is the more than type. Yes, suppose we have given frequency table. Frequency. Then here we can write cumulative frequency, and see this is of two types. First one is less than type and less than type, and here more than type. Okay? Suppose this is the frequency. Here I have to start from here. F1, F2, F3, F4 dot Fn. इसके पहले अगर देखेंगे Fn-1 होगा ना बेटा? Fn से पहले क्या है? Fn-1. Understood? Before that Fn-2. Before that Fn-3. So less than type frequency is very easy. First one is as F1. Okay? In second one you have to write F1 plus, then F1, F2, F3 dot, and this is last one F1 plus F2 plus plus Fn. सबको ऐड करके लिख दिया. This is the cumulative frequency of less than type. Okay? And in median you have to needed this one only this one. Okay? Why? Because you cannot draw the graph that more than type or given less than type, but you can see here more than type frequency. What is more than type frequency? Okay? किसी को पता है बेटा? First you write F1 plus F2 plus dot plus Fn. Okay. Now second one is from F2 है ना, F3 डॉट 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 कहाँ तक बेटा, सिंपल है ना. F2 is deleted, then from F4 डॉट डॉट Fn डॉट डॉट करके कहाँ तक आएंगे, last one is Fn. Okay, the last one is Fn. So note it down, this particular frequency. After this particular cumulative frequency, we have to find a question. Suppose we have given the one example, just with yes, marks table number 14.15. You see table number 14.15 in your NCERT book. Class mark is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 42, 52, 62, 70, 72, 80, 82, 90 and also 92. You see, and the number of students at this frequency table is given 5, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 7, 9, 7, 8. This is the frequency table. Okay. So, whenever you find the median, that particular table is given. That means class interval is given. Am I right? Class interval is given. And what is given? And what is given? Frequency is given. That means Fi is given. Okay? Frequency, that means Fi. What you need to find? Cumulative frequency you need to find. So simple. Less than type you can find. है ना? So 5, 8, 12, 15, 18, 22, 29, 38, 45, 50. So this is the 50. Okay? So we can find here mean, median. So first of all, what is the value of n? This is 53, na? Okay? So n by 2 is what? 53 by 2, and this is 26.5. This is the very important thing. This particular n by 2 give the median class. How to select median class? Okay? N, capital N is the, okay? So capital N by 2 is nothing but 26.5. तो ये बेटा 26.5 को हम कहाँ देखेंगे? क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल में. कहाँ देखेंगे? और क्या देखेंगे? And we see which cumulative frequency is greater and nearest to the 26.5. Which cumulative frequency is greater. Always remember, this is the concept from NCERT. Don't see other book. Okay? Maybe they are less nearest. Okay? What do you see? Greater and nearest to 26.5. So which one is the greatest and nearest? This is your median class. Always remember. This is a very important thing. बेटा यहीं से कंफ्यूज होते हो आप. कहां से कौन सा ले मीडियन क्लास? Which we can select the median class? Greater and nearest value. And where where we see this value in cumulative frequency table. Cumulative frequency table. Understood? So now everything is clear. L is 60. N by 2 you have already. CF is
29.
wait. Cumulative frequency preceding the median class. CF is what? 29. Why 29?
Sir, 22.
Sir, preceding the meeting.
Sir, 22.
22. This is the concept. Okay? So this is 22. Why? Because we can select the cumulative frequency preceding the median class. Just preceding the median class, cumulative frequency is 22. Understood? And now, which one is the F? F. Now we see the F now. F is the frequency, not cumulative frequency.
7.
Only simply frequency of the median class. This is 7. And what is the value of H? 10. Class width. Okay. Now put the value and find the answer. Thank you.